Welcome guys back to brand new episode of When Cops Are on Time. Please sit back, relax and enjoy. Here guys, in our second footage that we have in today's episode, driver that you will see casually runs the red light, but little he knows, cops were just behind him.
Roll through a red light in front of a state trooper.
And as you will see guys in this footage, delivering karma on a bike is especially nice. And another speeder gets the instant karma. These two bikers that you see will regret for riding on a shoulder. Here guys, in this footage, one insane lady tries to hit this scammer, but luckily for him, the cops were close enough. And after the incident, cops decided to chase her down and solve the situation. The driver that you're going to see in this footage decided to block an intersection, and then he got approached by a New York PD.
You know, they count their ways.
Yeah.
That's why I'm like, man, I really love living in that precinct.
Where
Okay,
was
Presto.
Guys, I want your opinion about this footage. In this footage you will see how one police vehicle pulls another police week. Please comment down below, do you know maybe what happened here and why this happened? Another speeder, another day on the road, guys. And this speeder will get pulled over also by a cops to serve some instant karma. Here, guys, we have a video by Mark Freeman again. Please go and support him and check out his channel because he has some awesome videos.
Ugh. How you guys doing? Good, how are you? Not too bad. So where are you from?
London.
London? Do you have a cottage up here, or you drove this from London?
No.
Okay.
There would be nothing left of the tires.
No, I wouldn't think so. So, where's your trailer?
Just at, is it Sobeys over there?
You have a trailer at Sobeys?
Like at, by the drugstore. I just parked in the parking lot.
Oh, okay, so you drove it up here in a trailer.
Yeah.
I thought you meant like a trailer, you have a second.
Oh, no.
Okay.
No, we just came up for
In Lambton Shores, where you are now,
Yeah.
these aren't legal on the road.
Oh, really?
No. North
Even-
Middlesex they are, which
Okay.
is, Park Hill area.
Yeah.
Once you get Lambton Shores, which includes Grand Bend,
Yeah.
they're not legal on the road.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Even though I have a blue
Yeah.
plate on this?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Now, stay tuned. When they change their bylaw,
Yeah.
this will be.
Oh, is it changing?
But it hasn't changed yet.
Oh, okay.
Okay, they're talking about it.
Yeah.
'Cause you have plates, you have mirrors. you have all
Signals,
that,
horn,
right?
the windshield.
So,
Low speed only though.
what's low speed considered though?
How fast does this thing go up to 90?
Better, 100?
Yeah, then it's not. It
Oh, it
won't
won't be
qualify then. Low speed, I think anything under 40 kilometers.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, geez.
So, I mean, I'm going to give you the benefit of the doubt. You probably didn't know that.
No.
And it's all different municipalities.
Yeah.
Like North Middlesex passed the bylaw, so you can.
Okay.
Lambton Shores says no. So,
Good.
okay. If you wouldn't mind just driving it back?
Yeah.
Today?
Yeah, I'll just drive back
Yeah.
there.
First time you drove by, we looked the other way. Second time, we looked the other way. Third time we got to.
Oh, okay.
Oh, we passed it 3 times. Sorry, I didn't see it.
I know it's confusing everywhere you go.
Yeah, for sure.
And you did everything right. You got insurance and all that, but
Yeah.
unfortunately, that's what it is. So.
No problem.
Okay.
Cool. Awesome. Take care, guys.
Thank you. See ya.
Why we got pulled over? Apparently they're not legal here.
Yeah, we gotta go park it.
Here, guys, in our last clip for today, you will see one road rage situation. I really want you to watch this all the way to the end and then comment down below how would you react in these type of situations.
It's not a game, it's a rage thing.
And guys, if you enjoyed this episode, please leave a like and subscribe. And until the next one, I'd highly suggest you to go and watch this one. See ya.